Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.FX market analysis. We're gonna start reviewing yesterday's trade. Let's go and check yesterday's order actually, right? Because it was never executed. Let me go here and show this to you. So our order was on the edge of the demand area, the early demand area, and it just went through the roof without coming back. But there was an opportunity if before New York you checked if there was a new demand area, right? And actually there was one created on the 15-minute chart right here, which if you would have taken and consider the this one, actually you can refer it to this, and if you would have taken it considering the average true range that it was at the moment when before New York it was 13, so 136, 136, 136. Okay, 139, there we go. So it would be a little bit more than what the size of the demand area. You adjust it to 1 to 2, and it would have been a take profit during New York, right? Bearing a little bit of hit at 2 p.m. when market opened, but yeah, it would have been a take profit. Anyway, I don't want to encourage you to go down to the 15-minute to do this kind of things. Is it doable? It is. Is this as high probability as 1 hour? It's not, right? And if you go to the hourly, you can see that. Where did we go? You go to the hourly. What happened? We are okay. You see that here there's no demand area, right? It's only on the lower time frames. Let's go to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes it was here. Look at that. So if you use the 30 minutes, let's say you put it when price was around here and respected the 198 of the average true range, 190, you could have gone set the order a little bit as we are used to, a little bit above, a little bit below to increase. But you see, let me see, 1, 2, 3, it would have been a stop loss if you use the 30 minutes. If you go here straight to the yeah, another stop loss. So yeah, it's like if you want to refine it, if you actually are really forced to trade that day, but else it's not worth it, guys. All right, now that we've been over that, let's start our daily analysis, right? Let's start with the economic calendar. Where would that be? Right here. Okay, economic calendar. What do we have for today? Many red news. Interesting day, very interesting day. All right, let's go here and here. Boom. What do we have? 10:30 GBP PMI. 9:30 German PMI in 12 minutes. That's interesting. 3:45 US PMI. 6:35 p.m. Powell speech. That's a pretty interesting day. That would be a very interesting injection of volatility. So most probably we want to be out by then. Let's move on to our relative strength analysis to see what do we have for today. NZD, the weakest one, and USD looks to be the strongest one, right? So we're gonna go check NZDUSD, right? Let's put it here. So strongest would be the NZD, sorry, DUSD, right? USD and GBP. Wow, GBP, look at that, GBP. Both are strong. We should check GU to see which one is GBP. And the weakest by far NZD. So we're going to be shorting NZD against USD or GBP, apparently. Let's check this. Let's first check GU, just to see. GU. I stay with the USD, yeah, definitely. After such a drop. Okay, so let's go to NZDUSD. Beautiful to short. Look at this. Okay, so it is beautiful. We are in a huge drop, and we have a very beautiful here supply zone right here, boom. Look at this. All right, this is this lower time frame supply zone, and we're gonna see. I don't know why this is here. We're gonna see this. To be honest, I like this. It's not going to be triggered during London, I believe, but I really like this. But we have GBP PMI. That could have an impact on our trade, on order, right? Okay, let's put it here. Let's see, we have an ATR of 7 pips. Right, 7.6, and this is 8.9, so we are fine here. And we're gonna move this to our 2.1. There we go. That's our trade. I don't know why I was thinking about GBP. This is NU. Sorry guys, I got a little bit. This here, screen cap right here. First, I wanna make a screen capture. Oh, actually, it doesn't make that much sense. Anyway, let's do this. There we go. There's our order for today, guys. As simple as that, right? NZDUSD short order. Boom. And this one, I'm gonna put the screen capture right here of the, so we don't need to look through the charts. Let's put this one right here. Maybe I want to do this. There you go. Interesting. Now I'm gonna do this right. see in the image. Let me see. There we go. Right there. Alright guys, now we're gonna paste it right here for a weekend review. Right. And then, okay, so you have the setup parameters. In case you don't have the process, take a screen capture right there. Very simple, very clean. And that's it for today, guys. Take care, follow your rules, follow your plan, don't overtrade, and see you tomorrow. Remember, be enough at everything you do. Bye.